pieces of foam. Created a moist hide for my little Ackie monitor. It's the last thing to finish this this enclosure out, other than some more climbing options that I'm going to move in and out and change up occasionally. But there's an entrance. Should accommodate as she grows. It's got a little shadow roof to just give it a little extra pop. And the top lifts off. Kind of got a little inset so it doesn't slide off too easy. And I got some damp sphagnum, a little bit of play sand. That'll go in the bottom, right outside of where she digs and her water bowl is, so should help quite a bit. Anyway, just thought I would share that with you guys. Peace. All right, boxes in down here. See it down there. Gives me room to be able to open the top and add or subtract moss. There's the opening. Let's see. Right down there. So I'm sure she'll figure that out pretty quick. Yeah, pretty cool. Just give her another place to kind of go and chill out a little bit when she wants to. Little humid hide. See, it's ready to go. Spray that with a little water. Change it out ever so often. She's might be able to see her tail. She doesn't like me moving stuff around, so she hid behind her log here. Let's see if we can see her. She's back there. She's got her cool little hiding spot back there. So, but anyway, yeah. So, humid hide is in.